Hello friends, myself R.A. Mahajan presenting my video on indeterminate form. Case 5th. Evaluate limit of cot x raised to sin x as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0, we get cot 0 as infinity. Sin x becomes sin 0 is 0. Therefore, limit takes infinity raised to 0 form. And as it takes infinity raised to 0 form, which is one of that form, let's consider that value of the limit as L. Limit of cot x raised to sin x as x tends to 0. Then taking log on both sides, we get log L is equals to limit of log of cot x raised to sin x as x tends to 0. It is limit applying laws of logarithm. Log m raised to n is n log m, and therefore it becomes sin of x into log of cot x as x tends to 0. Therefore the form is 0 into infinity. Original form is infinity raised to 0. I have converted it into 0 into infinity form. And as we get 0 into infinity form, converting either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form by rewriting it. Therefore that limit we can rewrite. Log term we keep as it is in the numerator, log of cot of x, and sin x we transfer to denominator as 1 by sine. 1 by sine is cosec, and therefore new form is cot 0 is infinity, log infinity is minus infinity, and cosec 0 again infinity. Therefore it is infinity by infinity form. Then as we get infinity by infinity form, applying Cauchy's rule, differentiating numerator and denominator with respect to x. Derivative of log is 1 by cot. Chain rule. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of cosec is minus cosec cot. As x tends to 0, it is limit. Cosec 1 get cancelled. The remaining term is cosec x divided by this cot and this cot. It becomes cot square x. Limit as x tends to 0. Cosec 0 is infinity. Cot 0 is also infinity. Therefore, again it is infinity by infinity form. Or this we can rewrite as limit 1 by cot nothing but tan. Therefore, it is tan square x divided by cosec nothing but 1 by sine. As limit x tends to 0, we get tan 0 is 0 and sine 0 is 0. Therefore, that infinity by infinity form we can convert into a 0 by 0 form. So that we can apply Cauchy's rule. Differentiating this with respect to x is derivative is 2 tan x, and chain rule derivative secant square x. Differentiation of sine is cos of x as x tends to 0. We get the form as tan 0 is 0, sec 0 is 1. Therefore, it is 0 into 1, we get 0, and cos 0 is 1. 0 by any number, we get that value as 0. This is the value of log L, and therefore we get value of L as e raised to 0. Transferring this to other side, right hand side, we get e raised to 0, and e raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, we have the value of the limit as 1. This is the true value of the limit. If you like my video, please share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.